Thought I'd make a quick video, show y'all the garden. The grass is kind of high because I haven't cleaned it up in a couple of weeks. See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 tomato plants, 5, 6, 7, pepper plant, another pepper plant. See the corn growing? See more tomato plants. More. Bunch of corn. See where the turnips were growing at? Another tomato plant. 2 pepper plants, 3 pepper plants, and another tomato plant or 2. It's got 400 holes drilled in the bucket. See the peppers? The green beans have been producing pretty good. I just got those off of it. They're the Tiny Tims, the ones I bought from Washington and Oregon.